Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, I'm making a Christmas arrangement with a few of my favorite things. So when Christmas rolls around, people always ask me, what's Christmas like at Jay's house? What do you like for Christmas arrangements? I have a simple favorite, and I wanted to share it with you today. It's just like the Christmas song, my favorite things. It's red carnations, white pine, winterberry, pine cones. It's very traditional, and we're going to create it in my favorite vase, the Rio Cache. This is the only time of year you can get ilex or winterberry. And so we'll start with that. Our arrangement today is going to be traditional and Christmassy and pretty. So our winterberry goes in. We'll add our white pine. And you'll notice I added this all together around in a circle, but I'm going to bring this guy up and put him in the center of the bouquet when there's enough stability. So I might have to move him around a couple times. It's all about changing and evolving. The white pine has such a great fragrance. It reminds me of being a kid working in the flower shop. Christmas was always a really busy time at the flower shop. And I remember one year, it was Christmas Eve, and my grandma wanted to know where the Christmas tree was. My grandfather always had a Christmas tree to bring home, and she always expected him to pick out a very nice one, a special one. And it was Christmas Eve. Most of the lots were closed. There weren't a lot of Christmas trees to be found, and my grandpa went out, and we had a Christmas tree that we'd removed most of the branches off of. We'd use the branches to plug into other Christmas trees to make them fuller. And so there was that trunk laying on the ground that had a couple branches. So my grandpa cut off the branches and took it to the flocking booth and flocked it with snow. Then he spray painted it black and then took it home. So it was just a trunk with the stems sticking out. On all of the different stems, he hung different shapes of red Christmas ornaments, from this big to this big. It was awesome and the most decorative Christmas tree anyone in Fremont, Nebraska had seen in the middle of the 60s. And as some of you know, his name was Carnation Joe Green, and that's why the Christmas arrangement always has red carnations. I love the red carnations. They last so long. There's great memories. My dad to this day still wears a red carnation every single day. We also need some variegated holly. Green holly is really pretty too. There's a lot more berries on green holly, but the variegated holly is just so traditional. I think if you go back over the years, the arrangement probably looks different every year. Might be a little more contemporary. Maybe it's more traditional. Maybe there's a little more mass style to it. But it's always typically the same ingredients. Wouldn't be Christmas without a few red ornaments. Just gather those together. I'll attach them to a wood pick, just so it's easier to insert it into the middle of the arrangement. Also add a couple pine cones. Just adding a covered wire to the back. You slip it around just a couple of the petals of the pine cone. And again, we'll just use that wire and attach it to a wood pick, so it's easy to insert into the bouquet. One of the reasons that I love this vase so much is the fact that there's plenty of water in the bottom, and I can wrap my ribbon right around the neck of the vase. This green burlap from Reliant has been my favorite ribbon, and it's perfect for this holiday arrangement because it's organic, it's natural, and it just cascades down onto the table. So, these are a few of my favorite things. Merry Christmas to you and yours from all of us here at Fun with Flowers and Jay. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.